Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove Meta AI on Messenger. If you are using Facebook Messenger in your iPhone or Android and now you want to delete Meta AI from your Facebook Messengers, let's see how can you do that. So you just have to go back and here you have to open your App Store or Play Store and you just have to search for Messenger app here and you have to try to make an update in your Messenger app. If you don't have any update, so you have to open your Messenger app. So after updating, if you find that the Meta AI option has been automatically removed, so your issue is fixed. Or if it's not fixed or your option doesn't remove, so you cannot remove it by yourself because it's an official version of your messenger, so you cannot remove it from your settings. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.